What's up? This is Night Rider NYC, and it's a nice day out today. Very nice. No rain, no snow, no wind, and no Harley today. Today I'm riding my Ducati Monster S2R. This is a nice little bike. A friend of mine recommended it. He said if you're gonna get a Ducati, you gotta get the Monster S2R 1000. That's what he has. He never rides it, but he raves about it. So found this one at a really good price. I wanted to buy his, but he wanted too much for it, and he needed some work done on it. So no, thank you. That's what I'm doing today. Today I'm on my way to work right now. So I wanted a quick little vlog before I head out. Just posted another episode, Homecoming. That was crazy. After the Homecoming, I had my film festival and a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff. Homecoming was awesome. Hung out with Marvel Kid 87, with FXDLS Brooklyn, with VX Polymath. Blockhead was there. Cruzy Originals was there. Really cool YouTubers, man, and really nice to be part of that community as well. Slowly growing my channel. Consistency is the key, though. You know, I'm growing anything. It's one thing I learned in my life is that things will happen, but they happen over time. They don't happen right away. So me growing this channel is just like that. Nothing happens just like that. You have to really put your work in. If you don't know what you want, it's very hard to go for it because it's not on your mind. It's like playing darts with a blindfold on. I do have a filmmaking channel as well where I talk about my filmmaking journey. It's not gonna be as busy as the moto vlog. Go there, check it out. I have some really cool short films on there, some behind the scene stuff, a little talk about cameras and gear and whatnot. And I'm trying to cater to anyone really. However, yes, it's leaning towards motorcycles and how motorcycles changed my life, how it's integrated into my life as far as stress is concerned and therapy. It's not something I've always been into. It's only been for 10 years. But for a while, I've always wanted to do a vlog. I just didn't quite know how to do it. I wasn't quite ready. I was going through some stuff over the years and I just couldn't do it. But here I am. What's cool is I'm going to introduce some 360 content. After Homecoming, you know, I got on the road. You know, I upgraded my bars and I upgraded my headlights and got on the road, and it was a long journey. It was 18 hours straight to PA. Very little sleep, maybe like an hour and a small break. Finally I got home, everything was great, and then I had to do this film festival. Two of my films, well, three really. One I worked on with a friend of mine, which I have a short in there, a short film. So I had three films in the festival and two of them won awards. Zombie Chronicles won. It got nominated, it won. Tales from Clipper Coffee also won, which is something I also worked on. And word got around with the Zombie Chronicles and another festival, Amazing Fest, horror film festival. They wanted my movie, and they were very doubtful at first because they were feeling like, oh, we already seen so many zombie movies, they're all garbage, whatever, whatnot. But you know, the festival, the guy who runs the festival, he told that other guy who runs the other festival, you really got to see this movie. So he saw it, and right away they were like, yo, this is awesome. So I'm really happy about that. So I have that going on. I have a couple of films I'm working on. I'm in the writing stage right now. Try to get to it as much as I can, which is why I haven't been posting much lately. I've been traveling. I don't want to make YouTubing my life, so I don't want to be held up to a schedule. I just try to get as much as I can. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on with me right now. And the Amazing Film Festival is September in Buffalo, New York. So I will be going, and for all those who want to come with me, you guys are more than welcome, and you can see Zombie Chronicles. There's a lot of great stuff coming, a lot of really cool New York City stuff. Brooklyn, Queens, like I'm going to go to every borough, man. I'm going to just kill it. Those of you who don't live in New York, man, you're going to see New York. And you're going to want to visit these places. We're going to go to restaurants. We're going to go to a ton of places. All on my motorcycle. All on my motorcycle. On this bike is one of my bikes. Ducati Monster S2R 1000. comment, like, subscribe, check out the channel. Be there or be square. Man, I cannot believe this bike has 24,000 miles and it runs the way it does. Holy shit. This thing is fucking sick. I paid nothing for this bike. I mean, I did pay something, but it was practically nothing. Man, I could just have this bike alone and I'd be fine. This bike all by itself. It's a perfect size. It could probably go long distance, maybe. I don't know. But it's fun. It's fast. It's nimble. It's badass. It's fucking cool. I love it. I will pull over so you guys can get a good look at it. Should be at work right now, but this is more important. Ducati Monster S2R 1000. Look at that dry clutch, baby. Nice. Ducati. Kind of dirty. I do definitely have to give it a buff. Fuck it. Whatever, man. It's meant to be ridden. Not meant to just linger and stay under the cover. If it gets dirty, it gets dirty. Let me clock in for work because these good clowns will be like, you didn't go to work today. Where are you? You're late. I can give two fucks about being on time. Start shift. I really don't give a shit. Alright, I'm at work right now. Supposedly. So, for those of you at my job, see this, my boss? Fuck you. Woo! This fucking hate this, man. Look at this little shit. This is like a microphone and fucking falls out all the time. Yo, trust me, I'm gonna have a better system. This is good for now. I got something on the way and it's gonna make my life a whole lot easier. This wire inside my helmet shit is garbage. But that's all I have for now. So I mean, when it works it's great, but it's not fucking working, man. I gotta stick this thing in my helmet. Come on, I gotta get to work, dude. There you go. Alright. So yeah, sometimes I have this issue with this freaking cable. I have really pro equipment. Like, you know, this is what I do for a living. I make movies. So I have all this great sound equipment, but for motor vlogging it's just a little freaking different. The setup is not something I'm used to because this thing has to go inside my helmet. And I'm like, what the fuck? Well, it's all good. It's working, at least. I mean, I hope it is. I hope you guys can hear me. And I forgot my freaking lock, my wheel lock. So I really hope they don't steal my damn bike. Because this area is a little shady. So I'm definitely going to keep it working. See it. What up, homie? Get on my back like you want this shit. Look at those swimming pools. You know what? Can't hate on them. They're having fun. Legit in the hood, this is how people do it in the Bronx. So I gotta put this thing literally right in front. This is why I'm working today. Park this baby here. Just freaking hit the subscribe button. Enough. Alright guys, love you. Take care. Peace.